guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World, and today we unboxing, review and watch little closer to vintage Lledo cars. So let's have a look to the first about the little history about this company. The Lledo was a British manufacturing company founded in 1982 by Matchbox, and co-founder be Jack Odell and Bart Russell, and they based in Enfield. The factory produced mainly diecast scale model commercial vehicles and also cars from 1983 to 1999, when the company went into bankruptcy. So really shame. After the bankruptcy from 1999, the company the rights to brand by Corgi Classics, and later I don't know what's happened more. So today we have two first cars from the series. They be promotional models and models of days gone. So let's have a look. The first model, if you can see, 1983. And one more things, for Leicester Mercury, you then see that this model is 551 number of the special edition product exclusively for Leicester Mercury. We see the box, they not looks like. Oh. So let's have a look. I buy these cars in charity shop. I pay £1 each, so I think it's a good price. So let's have a look. We have a see there is a broken mirror on the left side. Evening Chronicle. So looks like the truck cars. This vintage car be used for delivery newspapers. The other one. So you can imagine these cars, they almost have 40 years. Wow, 40 years of history. They are very good condition. And are really heavy. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.